we are doing a mensuration. And in mensuration, today my topic is cone. Cone. We'll find a cone in a birthday party, as an ice cream cone, and even in the traffic we'll find a cone. Now let's start a cone. Cone is made up of three very important parts. First one is a vertex. Number two is a curved surface area, and number three is a circular base. So a cone is made up of three very important parts: vertex, a curved surface area, and a circular base. So first, let me define a radius. The radius of a circular base is called a radius of base. Number two is a height. The line joining the center of a circular base and the vertex is called a height. And number three is a slant height, the distance between the vertex, and any point. It may be here, it may be here. Okay, so any point on the circular base is called a slant height of the cone. Now let me derive a relationship between height, radius, and the slant height of a cone. So now we consider it's a right angle triangle. So by a Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse here is a slant height L, perpendicular is your h, and base is your r. So now L square is equals to h square plus r square. So from here L is equals to square root of h square plus r square. This is the relationship between a slant height and the radius of a cone. Formula of cone. First is the slant height. L is equals to square root of h square plus r square. Number two is the curved surface area of a cone is equals to pi rl. Number three is the total surface area of a cone, which is a pi rl plus r. Total surface area means curved surface area plus area of a base. And third one is the next one is the volume of a cone is equals to 1/3 into volume of cylinder. So what is the relationship between a volume of a cone and the volume of the cylinder? A volume of a cone is equals to 1/3 into volume of cylinder. So volume of cone is equals to 1/3 into volume of cylinder is pi r square h. My first problem is find the curved surface area of a right circular cone whose slant height is 10 cm and base radius is 7 cm. Given slant height L is equals to 10 cm and radius R is equals to 7 cm. We know a curved surface area of a cone is equals to pi rl. So now let's put the value. Pi means 22/7 into r is 7 and slant height is 10. 7 and 7 will get cancelled, so it's a 220. Since it's an area, so it's a centimeter square. Hence a curved surface area of a cone is equals to 220 centimeter square. Next we have, if the volume of a right circular cone of a height 9 cm is 48 pi centimeter cube, find the diameter of the base. So given height of a cone h is equals to 9 cm, let r be the radius of a cone, and given volume of a cone is equals to 48 pi. Volume of a cone, let's replace this volume of a cone by its formula, which is equals to 1/3 pi r square h is equals to 48 pi. Now this pi and this pi will get cancel. So I'll get r square h instead of h. I'll write 9 centimeter because the value of h is 9 centimeter is equals to, this 3 will go here by a cross multiplication. So 3 into 48. Now r square is equals to 3 into 48 divided by 9. So now this 3 1 ja 3. So let's cancel it. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3 with the 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18. That means r square is equals to 60. Then r is equals to 4. But our question, we need to find the diameter of the base. Formula for diameter is equals to twice into radius, 2 into r. So the value of r is 4. 2 into 4 is equals to 8. Hence the diameter of the base is equals to 8 centimeter. Now the next question, a conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find number 1, slant height of the tent. Number 2, cost of the canvas required to make a tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So there are two questions. First we need to find the L, and number two is a cost of canvas to make a tent. Okay, so it's a tent. Tent is like this. Tent is like this, where height is height. This height is given. This height is given up. This height is given up 10 meter, and this radius is given. This is given up 24 meters. So with the help of this, first we need to find a slant height. Given height of a cone h is equals to 10 meter, radius of its base r is equals to 24 meter. We know L is equals to square root of h square plus r square. L is equals to h means a 10 square plus r means a 24 square. So it's a 10 into 10 is 100 plus 24 into 24 is 576. When I add this one, I'll get 676. Therefore L is equals to 26 meter. Hence the slant height of a tent is equals to 26 meter. Now next I need to find the cost of a canvas required to make a tent. So for that I need to find a curved surface area of a cone, which is equals to pi RL. Pi means 22 by 7 into R is 24 and L is 26. So when I multiply 22, 24 and 26, I'll get 13,728 divided by 7 meters square. So cost of 1 meter square canvas is equals to rupees 70. Therefore cost of 13,728 divided by 7 meters square canvas is equals to rupees 13,728 divided by 7 into 70. Now 7 1 just 7 and 7 10 just 70. So the 7 1 just 7, 7 10 just 70. So when I multiply this, I'll get rupees 137280. Next question we have the ratio of the base of radii of two right circular cones of the same height is 3:4. Find the ratio of their volumes. Given ratio of the base of a radii is equals to 3:4. Then let the radius of first cone be 3x and that of second cone be 4x. Let the height of both cones be h because each of same height. We need to find the ratio of their volumes. So volume of first cone is to volume of second cone is equals to 1/3 pi r1 square h is to 1/3 pi r2 square h. Here 1/3 will get cancelled. Pi pi will get cancelled, h and h will get cancelled. So this r1 means 3x whole square is to r2 means 4x whole square. So I'll get 9x square is to 16x whole square. This x and x will get cancelled. So answer is 9 is to 16. Next question is, the volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube and the area of its base is 616 centimeters square. Find the slant height of the cone. And number 2, total surface area of a cone. We'll start like this. Let R be the radius, H be the height, and L be the slant height of a right circular cone. Then volume of cone is equals to 9856 centimeters square. It can be written as 1/3 pi r square h is equals to 9856 centimeter. By cross multiplication, pi r square h is equals to 3 into 9856. Let's make it equation number 1. Next, area of a base is equals to 616 centimeters square. Since base is a circular in form, so area of its base is equals to pi r square, which is equals to 616. Dividing equation number 1 by equation number 2, we'll get pi r square h divided by pi r square is equals to 3 into 9856 divided by 616. So here, now this pi and pi will get cancelled, r square and r square will get cancelled, so h is equals to, after calculation we'll get 3 into 16, so h is equals to 48 centimeter. From equation 2, which is pi r square is equals to 616, can be written as 22 by 7 into r square is equals to 616. By cross multiplication, r square is equals to 616 into 7 divided by 22. So after calculation, I'll get r square is equals to 196, that is r is equals to 14. We know L is equals to square root of h square plus r square. H means 48 square and r square is 196. 48 square is 2304 plus 196. I'll get, when I add 2304 and 196, I'll get 2500. So L is equals to 50 centimeter. So this is a first answer. Hence the slant height of the tent is equals to 50 centimeter. Now I need to find a total surface area. The formula for total surface area is pi r plus L. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 14 plus L is 50. So that's 7 1s is 7, 7 2s are 14, 2 into 22 is 44, 14 plus 50 is 64. So when I multiply this 2, I'll get 2816 centimeter square. Hence the total surface area is equals to 2816 centimeter square.